Hello and welcome to your ShurLink training. In this video, we will go through the steps on how to clear the memory of your new ShurLink Pro remote. Before we get started, I want to make sure to note that once your remote's memory is cleared, this is a permanent change. This cannot be undone. So let's jump to it. A couple examples of when you'd want to clear your remote's memory are: 1. If you were getting rid of or getting a new trailer and you were going to keep your remote, you'd want to clear out all old devices. And second, this is a handy feature if you had all new devices and didn't want to individually delete each of them one by one. Also, to assure that you do not lose your phone app token, you should return your token from all phones paired back to the remote before clearing the memory. We'll discuss the ShurLink phone app in a separate video later on. Okay, so to get started, from any page on your remote, press and hold the Alt and Select buttons at the same time. These are the two hexagon-shaped buttons. Hold both buttons for 5 seconds and a clear memory screen will then appear. You will then press and hold the Accept Operation button for 5 seconds. This step will completely clear the memory. That's it. Your remote memory is now clear. And again, once you clear the memory of your remote, this cannot be undone. This video will be available to watch again if you need to review this info at a later time. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.